Now today we are going to discuss about the in electronics chapter. In electronics chapter, yesterday we have discussed about the p-type and n-type semiconductors, and it is a form of p-n junction diode. This p-n junction diode, which has the forward bias and reversed bias, the biasing of p-n junction diode. So before going to p-n junction biasing diode, first we have to recap the p-n junction. p-n junction diode is formed by doping one side of a piece of intrinsic semiconductor, silicon or germanium, with the p-type dopant, and the other side with an n-type dopant. So these are three major steps in the formation of p-n junction diode. They are: one is diffusion, formation of space charge drift. This p-n junction diode, the left side of the diode is doped with p-type dopants. This is the majority of holes in this region, and the right side of the diode is doped with n-type dopants. So we have majority of electrons in this region. This is shown in figure. The electrons in the inside diffuse to the p side, simultaneously holes. In the p side diffuse towards the n side through the junction. This movement of elements or electrons from n side to p side, and the movement of holes from p side to n side, that is called diffusion. So diffusion, now we are going to formation of the space charge. When more and more electrons leave the region and more holes leave the p region, a region of positive and negative charges is formed at the junction. Positive charges get accumulated near the n-side junction, and negative charge gets accumulated near the p-side junction. This region is known as depletion region, that is called as space charge region. The motion of charge carriers due to the electric field, that is called as drift. This is the formation of p-n junction diode, which is recapped. Now we are going to discuss about the how much current flows in unbiased p-n junction diode is 0. How to obtain current from p-n junction diode? By connecting p-n diode to external voltage source. So this is the circuit diagram for the p-n junction diode. Now we are going to discuss about the biasing, that is the forward bias in p-n junction diode. See, in the diagram there is a connection of positive, which is battery plus, and negative, that is more electrons less holes, that is connected to battery, negative, positive. There is a region that is called as depletion region. Whenever it is connected to battery, this becomes a forward biased in a PN junction diode. When the positive terminal of the battery is connected to P-type semiconductor and the negative terminal of the battery is connected to N-type semiconductor of the PN junction diode, then the diode is said to be called forward biased. Consider a PN junction diode connected to the battery in such a way that the positive terminal of the battery is connected to P-type semiconductor and the negative terminal of the battery is connected to N-type semiconductor of PN junction diode shown in figure. See, the width of the depletion region decreases. The external voltage V provides necessary energy for the movement of carriers. Barrier energy reduces. Barrier energy becomes EVB minus V. Holes in P-type cross the junction and reach N-type. Electrons in N-type cross the junction and reach P-type. Diode offers small resistance to flow of carriers. Resistance of ideal diode is 0. A small current in order to milliampere produce. Current is due to diffusion of majority carriers. Majority carrier current is not affected by flow of minority carrier current in opposite direction. Minority carrier current depends only on temperature. This is the biased when the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the P-type due to repulsive forces. The holes are repelled away from the battery terminal and forced to move towards the N-type. On the other hand, the electrons are repelled away from the negative terminal of the battery and forced towards the P side. Due to this movement of electrons and holes in the depletion layer, the width of the depletion region decreases. As a result, majority charge carriers diffuse across the junction easily. PN junction offers low resistance to the flow of current. This is the N-type and P-type, which making of the region narrow, free electrons and holes, battery forward bias. The minority charge carriers of the P region, electrons move toward the positive terminal of the battery. The minority charge carriers in the N-type and holes move towards the negative terminal of the battery. In the N region, current carried by P electrons, whereas P region it is by holes. The external circuit, the current is carried external electrons only. Now we are going to the reverse bias. In reverse biased, the positive terminal of the battery is connected to N terminal. Negative terminal of the battery is connected to P terminal, which is a representation of the reverse bias. This is microammeter P and N, plus and minus. This is external battery. So whenever which is arranged by a device Pn, which is not able to connect the battery, that is unbiased. When it is connected to battery, the positive terminal is negative, the negative terminal is positive, which is reverse bias. So when the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the N-type semiconductor and the negative terminal of the battery is connected to the P-type semiconductor of the PN junction diode, then the diode is said to be reverse biased. So this is a P-type and N-type, which is making of the region. So PN, P for positive, negative, which is the width wide depletion region, which is making like battery reverse bias. Width of the depletion region increases, barrier energy increases, barrier energy becomes E, voltage barrier plus voltage. Holes in P-type are attracted to by negative terminal of the external voltage source. Electrons in N-type are attracted by positive terminal of the external voltage source. Diode offers large resistance to flow of carriers. Resistance of ideal diode is infinity. A small current in order of microampere produces. So current is due to minority carriers. Current is called reverse saturation current, IS. Current is due to drift of charges. Majority charge carrier. The majority carrier current is almost zero. Consider a PN junction diode connected to the battery in such a way the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the N-type semiconductor and the negative terminal of the battery is connected to the P-type semiconductor of the PN junction diode. When the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the N side, the holes in the P region gets attracted to negative terminal of the battery. So this is the drift charges and majority carrier current is almost zero. Then current IS is independent of the reverse voltage applied. If temperature is increased, then minority carriers also increase. So reverse saturation current is also increases. Forward bias and reverse bias. This is which has a diagram, that is a positive connected to positive, negative connected to negative. This is forward biased. Then the positive connected to battery negative, the negative is connected to battery positive. This is reverse bias. In forward bias, potential barrier decreases, here barrier potential is increases. Width of depletion layer is decreases, width of depletion layer is increases. Current flows due to majority carriers, current flows due to minority carriers. Junction resistance decreases, junction resistance increases. These are the distinguishes between the PN junction biased in forward and in reverse. Now we have studied forward biasing in PN junction diode, reverse biased in PN junction diode. So small quiz is created in a point presentation. The width of the depletion region in forward bias is very small. In reverse bias, the PN junction current due to the majority carriers. So from this rising of the questions, frequently asked questions, explain of PN junction diode forward bias with proper diagram. Explain working of PN junction diode in reverse bias with a proper diagram. Distinguish between forward bias and reverse bias. Assignment: here explain the neat diagram working of PN junction diode in forward bias. Explain neat diagram working of PN junction in reverse bias. So these are the topics today we covered. PN junction diode, PN junction biasing of the forward bias and reverse bias. So here again small discussions we are going to repeat small short way. Here positive terminal of the battery is connected to the P terminal. Negative terminal of the battery is connected to N terminal. The circuit represented of forward bias PN, that is a millimeter, and external battery. This is the diagram which has given unbiased. There is a diagram. P type majority electrons, N type majority holes. So then which is a depletion region, that this can be connected, P region connected to milliampere to battery, and N also connected to battery negative in forward bias. Width of the depletion region decreases. External voltage provides necessary energy for the movement of carriers. Barrier energy reduces. That energy becomes E VB minus V. Holes in P type across the junction and reach N type. Electrons in N type cross the junction and reach P type. Diode offers small resistance to flow of carriers. Resistance of ideal diode is 0. A small current in order of milliampere produces. Current is due to diffusion of majority carriers. Majority carrier current is not affected by flow of minority carrier current in opposite direction. Minority carrier current depends only on temperature. Reverse bias. Positive terminal of battery is connected to N terminal. Negative terminal of battery is connected to P terminal. Circuit representation of reverse bias. P is connected to external and N is connected to positive. This is microammeter. So P and N unbiased. This is the depletion region. Reverse bias. So positive which is connected to battery negative. Negative which is connected to battery positive. This is the depletion region. Width of the depletion region increases. Barrier energy increases. Barrier energy becomes EVB plus V. Holes in p-type are attracted by negative terminal of the external voltage source. Electrons in n-type are attracted by positive terminal of the external voltage source. Diode offers large resistance to flow of carriers. Resistance of ideal diode is infinity. A small current in order of microampere produces. Current is due to minority carriers. Current is called reverse saturation current. Current is due to drift of charges. Majority carrier current is almost zero. Then IS current is independent reverse biased voltage. If temperature is increased, minority carriers also increases. So reverse saturation current also increases. So forward biased, reverse biased. Barrier potential is decreases. Barrier potential is increases. Width of depletion is decreases. Width of depletion is also increases. Current flows due to the majority carriers. Current flows due to minority. Junction resistance decrease. Junction resistance increase. So here in forward bias, that is the decrease, very small. In reverse bias, current is minority carriers. These are the today topics we covering of the PN junction biasing in forward bias and reverse bias. So from these subtopics, frequently asking the questions, explain working of PN junction diode in forward bias with the proper diagram. Explain working of PN junction diode in reverse bias with the proper diagram. Distinguish between forward bias and reverse bias. Explain with the need diagram working of PN junction diode in forward bias. Explain with the need diagram working of PN junction diode in reverse bias. Okay, thank you. Today class is over of this PowerPoint